Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma Tariq. I'm from Gujarat. I did masters in chemistry and in bachelor's I study chemistry, zoology and botany. So basically I am the student of FSC pre-medical where we studied physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so I am doing online teaching since March 2020 and I'm connected with some Canadian and Chinese students and I teach them science, which includes biology, physics, chemistry and environmental sciences. So these are the main my subject. With that, as I'm a writer, so I'm interested in literature. It's Urdu and English literature, so I know the Urdu and English literature basic. So I can also teach Urdu and English to the student till metric. As I'm interested in online teaching because it's more easy for me to through online teaching I can connect with the people throughout the world, throughout the Pakistan. Which might be for me it's not possible and it's not that I can go outside and teach to the people. So I preferably choose online teaching, which I'm doing. For many people, online teaching is not as interactive and valuable because they think it's not as interactive. But I think there are in online teaching and in online study there are a lot of ways which are more interactive in rather than the live class, because you have the multimedia, you have Google Power, you have YouTube videos, you have presentations, you have a lot of colorful things, colorful theme which you can use to interact with the student. You can directly, if student want to ask something and you don't know it right now, but you can search it right now in front of student by using Google Power. So there are a lot of ways in online teaching which make the teaching easy also, and which also make the content easy for the student. There are a lot of wonderful ways. So I really enjoy online teaching, and my student also enjoy because my sessions are very interactive. We use a lot of things. We use videos, we use posters, we use PowerPoint presentations, we use Google. So in this way it becomes very interactive, because in teaching there are the two things that are more important: understanding and interaction of content. If you are interactive with this content, then it would be easy for you to understand the content. So this is what I focus while the teaching. So this is about me, and that's why I'm interested in online teaching. It's easy, with that it's also more valuable. So hope to see you. Allah Hafiz.